So y'all wanted me to put the metal trim back in. This goes through a little slit right here, like that, and this goes through. And then this metal bends to hold it in place. So that's what it looks like with the metal trim on. Yeah, y'all are right. Looks a lot better. So now that I know I can do handles, we'll get the other one done. Pieces we're gonna paint. Also, there's this little plastic panel as well I'm just gonna paint. It's a kick panel. It goes up under there. So I'm gonna kind of keep these pleats right here with the pink piping go around here, and it's gonna continue right here, and I'm gonna have it kind of go up. The only problem with the piping is it's gonna be too thick to put on door panels, so I'm gonna try a different method, still have the same look as the piping. So I'll kind of show y'all what I have in mind. So here's a door panel, all gonna be the pleated pink. We're supposed to end so we can make the pleats even. Make our marks, get a straight edge, and gonna do how I normally do with the piping. That's what we look like. Pull the piping out like this. And I'm gonna top stitch. What do y'all think? Let's get this out first. Just pry this out, and it'll slide out like that. The edge needs to be on this white line here. So unfortunately, no matter what I did, it wouldn't fit. So I cut it off exact and ran it through the sewing machine. We'll see if this works. Man, so that was a lot harder than I thought it was gonna be. But we got it in there. That's what it's looking like. Or those lights went out, so you can't really see too well, unfortunately. Got two. Wow, actually, that was pretty easy. And there you go. I'm not sure what these little rivets are before. They look like they might be snaps, but I don't know what to, so. So and there you go. What do y'all think? Try again. Keep it real with y'all. Gluing is not my strong suit. I'm more of a staple kind of guy, but that's looking pretty good. That's what it's looking like so far. See, the piping kind of goes into right here. But yeah, that looks a lot better than that, in my opinion. So went ahead and put the carpet in. That's what it looks like. It was just a kit, so all this kind of just set in there. I use ACC Auto Carpets. They just make kits for vehicles. So it's one of the most simple things you can do, honestly. I was able to match the vinyl extremely close to the carpet. Carpet in. Panels on the driver's side done. Now obviously the red parts are going to be painted, so you kind of have to imagine it, but we're getting there.